Good evening. I was facing a lot of difficulty in recording stuff in my car, so I finally decided to record audio and video separately. So I ordered this Zoom H4n Pro recorder, and this is basically a short video for its unboxing. So here is the package. It just got delivered today, and it's basically got delivered through Amazon. So let's see what all the box contains. So this is the empty box. It has this one plastic box which looks more suitable for keeping the knitting things, but nevertheless some protection. It has 2 batteries from Fujitsu, and let's see, this piece is empty, there is nothing in it. Some papers, a manual, warranty card, some download information, WaveLab download information, and that's just about it. That's what it has. So let's see if I can make it work. So I've taken out and put the batteries inside. I've taken it out of the box, and let's see if it turns on. It looks like it's turning on. So there is a button that says key lock. I suppose if you turn it on, it won't let you press any keys. There is a volume button on the left. There is a headphone button. These two are the XLR mics you can plug in, and you can plug in one external mic, 3.5 mm. So let's test what is the difference in sound of this versus that mic. Now I am recording using Zoom H4n Pro sound recorder, and now let's go and compare which one sounds better. Clearly the sound recorded using Zoom sound recorders is much clearer. There is much less background noise, and you can actually even add some gain in your post-processing and still not lose the clarity of the sound or get some distortions into it. I will have to do some more tests, and then I will come back with any results if there are changes. Till the time, keep watching this space, and we will see you in the next video. By the way, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified of any new videos that are uploaded. Thank you very much, and have a good night.